You ain't about it. You ain't a rider, fuck boy, you a biter. Your main bitch slid up inside her. For your niggas, would you ride or die? Hey, what's up, y'all? I wasn't even gonna record, but I might. Son of a bitch. When I tell you, girl, this is crazy. My bad, y'all. My sandwich was falling. So look, how y'all doing? Good evening. I'm finna wind down, but I decided to do a real quick little mukbang. Ramen noodles, a cheese and ham sandwich with mayo and mustard. That's it. A soda and a salad. What's in the salad is grapes. Well, y'all know from earlier, but I'll tell you again. Grapes, spinach, cheese. What is that? Nuts, raisins, and I'm gonna put some ranch on that thing. Tomorrow, I'm gonna cook after I come from my property. And water. You can never go wrong with a hood meal. You can actually make this out of all kind of stuff. People crazy. Watching this little thank you, Jesus. Y'all know I already prayed before. You know I don't play that.
I think it's good to you. Justin, I begin to get happy in the studio. But I go see Justin go. But it's getting real good to me.
God's been good to me. Of course, he produced it. Yeah. I know God's been gracious to me.
Listen, we don't mean no harm, but God, I'm talking about that thing got good to me in this studio. I really didn't mean no harm, but I had to do that one for my baby. I had to feel him on the inside. So he'll know that God kept his arms around him. I had to do that one for my son having 8 seizures today. From 4 o'clock in the morning to 7 o'clock in the morning. And then they keeping my baby. Hey, glory to Jesus. Then they gonna keep him tonight. Say, girlfriend, she need that CD ASAP. Jaquita, that's coming out in March. We got you. Coming out in March.
Yeah, I don't really got nothing to talk about.
Phone and get any one-topping pizza for $7.99 each.
I just wanted to let y'all know,
50 years,
even when you're doing good, you feel like you're from the hood.
The quicker picker-upper. Bounty of...
I'm reaching out to you because I've been talking to a 32-year-old man named Tyrell for 17 years. No. Am I reading that right?
It's impossible.
That's impossible.
It's preposterous.
I ain't even, Cammy. I'm in a bit of a dilemma. I met this guy named Jordan in a team chat room site 12 years ago. And just by conversation, our relationship skyrocketed. We messaged all the time and started talking on the phone for hours. We were obsessed with each other, and as we got older, we flirted more and more and started having feelings for each other.
Y'all, catfish is
Currently, I'm
crazy.
23, and I live in Indiana. He's 22 and lives in Orlando, Florida. So I guess it makes sense that it would be hard to meet. But after being on and off for all these years, we are now most definitely on. He's the constant in my life, my first online friend and my ideal man. He understands me, and now
All right,
that
y'all.
we're older, I'm ready to meet
I ain't
the
gonna hold
love
y'all long.
of my life.
Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment.
Tried to meet
Thumbs up the
twice
video.
before. Both times, I flew to Florida only to...
What's up, y'all? Y'all know who it is. It's your boy KJ. Come back with another banger. I'm finna make a little like salad real quick. I ain't did one of these in a minute. I ate earlier. I just ate a burrito, but I just want to start off with a salad real quick because it's just healthy. And I didn't go work out this morning. I'm gonna start back fresh on Monday. Well, not Monday, but Tuesday. But yeah, y'all, for sure. And this is for the workout channel. So we're gonna do cucumbers, spinach. I think I'm gonna use this whole cucumber, y'all. And we're gonna throw some eggs on there. Some grapes, some raisins, and some cheese. I'm gonna make my own. I don't think I'm even, oh my God, I'm tripping. I can't even make my own ranch because I used up the mayo. All right, y'all. So we're gonna do the cheeses. I want to say tres leche. We got the eggs right here, and then I'm going to put some crushed walnuts. I'm going to put some grapes up in there, and some raisins, which is grapes anyway, but shriveled up, dehydrated ones. But yeah, I thank you. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Y'all make sure y'all check out my channel, Royal Rumble TV, where you can stay up to date with the latest fashion and news going on right here with King Perez.
You ain't about it, you ain't a rider, fuck boy, you a biter. Your main bitch slid up inside her, for your